सर आम्ही पळयलें की 2 दिसां पयलीं तुमी म्हापसा अलंकार हांगासर पावलेले ज्या जाग्याचेर आमी म्हटलेले की एक फेमस स्पॉट जो आसा हो अलंकारा कडेन जायतो लोक हांगासर जेवणाक खाणाक येता रातच्या टायम लेट नायट हांगासर चालू आसता त्या दिसा तुमी रेट मारली काय ना म्हणत जाल्यार 10 ते 12 कितें तरी तुमी बंद केली फास्ट फुडां अनहायजिनीक आयज तुमी परत एकदा हांगासर रिपीट पावलेले आसा आयज येवपाचें कारण आयज कितें हांगासर मेळ्ळें सर?
दोन कारणां आसा. एक म्हणटा ते फर्स्ट वी हॅव कम हियर टू व्हेरीफाय की वॉट इज द स्टेटस and also there was a report in the media that on the weekend during the holidays some of the vendors had opened. So based on that we came in and we found that 2 outlets were opened without giving us the compliance. In the sense the compliance was not verified and hence we have imposed a penalty of 10,000 each on these 2 vendors and we have directed them to close down again and comply. So food business operators have to take the FDA report seriously or else as we have committed we will take penal action. So penal action has been taken in these cases. The other vendors have kept their premises closed and we can observe that corrective works are going on. We have once again appealed to the vendors here to cooperate with the FDA and we have told them very clearly that we are only looking for hygiene and that they cannot compromise on hygiene and they have to also be continuously committed to hygiene. The vendors have shown a positive response to us and we hope that they stay committed and ensure that this place, which is a very famous outlet in Goa, continue to maintain hygiene and this will be a continuous process. Our checks will continue and we will make sure that periodically we come here and ensure that these vendors here are complying to the norms.
So totally how many shops were there open?
Only 2 vendors we have found open. The other 2 which are operating, they were not closed earlier.
कितले फायन घातला तांकां?
10,000 each तांकां फायन घातलेली आसा.
दोगांक.
So they were taking lightly
I don't know what went in their minds, but nevertheless, since they have not complied to our report, the fines were put. In addition, we have also closed down a base kitchen of one bakery, which is having several outlets in Mapsa in Karaswada. And there also we have asked them to close. The bakery also have committed that they will close down and give us compliance.
So today once again the drive will be continue going on.
Drive will go on and in other areas as well. So we will make sure that and also as an outcome of this drive we have seen that these inspections have to be continued rigorously and I think we will be doing this across the year and we will make sure that at least once every outlet in Goa is inspected. That is I think what is the plan now.
सर आता म्हापशान आनीक बंद केला ही सोडून आनीक बंद केला तुमी आयज
आयच्या दिसा आमी फक्त एक बेकरी केल्ली आसा
आनी प्लस ही 2 हांगा हांकां फायन
आनी ही 2.
सो खंय तरी आमकां दिसना करता की जे वेंडर्स आसा पळय शॉप ओनर्स आसा फास्ट फुडाचे तेंच्यांनी खंय तरी हे सिरियसली घेवंक ना तुमचे एफडीची रेट. सो कितें मेसेज दिवंक सोदता तुमी की बाकीचे जितली शॉपां आसा तांकां ते ऑलमोस्ट 10,000 फायन पडले आसा रिपीट जर तेंच्यांनी ओपन केले जाल्यार आनी
म्हाका दिसता सिरियसली घेतला कित्याक आतां whenever we go we have seen that all of them are aware of this action but only one thing that is not coming out is that I don't see that the vendors are self compliant. Actually our law also says that once you take a license it is a self compliant act की एक ती स्वताची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अशें ना की ऑथॉरिटी येतले आनी मागीरूच सारकें करतले. सो हें खंय ना खंय वेंडर्सांनी समजून घेवंक जाय. इट इज अ सेल्फ कंप्लायंट एक्ट आनी तांणी जाग्यार घालूंक जाय. सो जशें हांवें सांगलां ड्रायव्ह वील गो ऑन एवरीवेअर एंड इफ फूड बिजनेस ऑपरेटर्स they can self-evaluate themselves and start complying. Okay, now that people are aware that fines will come their way and such fines have been imposed in other places also, like we have done a drive in outside GMC, there also we have imposed fines. So as and when we see that there is non-compliance, why we have imposed fine in GMC? Because 3 months before they were also inspected. So this is a continuous process. Okay, just that we are making, this time we are making use of the medium of your media. And the only reason is that the message goes out loud and clear that the department is looking for compliance in terms of hygiene, and so that the larger population, the larger FBOs are aware that somewhere at some point they will also come under scrutiny. But at that point it should not be that the FDA is taken action. We have to go and we should get an opportunity to appreciate what they are doing. So that is what we are looking for.
सर तुम्ही आता इल्ल्यान तुमकां ओपन मेळ्ळें दिसता
2 आउटलेट ओपन मेळ्ळे
तांकां फायन
तांकां 10,000 फायन.
येस